Imagine how I feel to watch another nigga every time you know that if you wasn't you, you would be missing you, dog. Yeah, okay, from that perspective, I see what you're talking about. Yo, with the sauce in it.
Well, that's all I need. I have no enemies.
Except one.
All of my homies are happy in the evil ninja society.
Yeah.
Chilling with my granny.
Chill.
She makes the best cookies.
Yum.
I love tree by tree. Read me a book. It makes me happy.
Happy day.
When I smell the fresh tree, I say yippee.
Yeah.
Here comes the joyous sparkly glitter.
Shiny.
For all to hear.
I'm so happy, I'm so glad. I don't know how you could be so bad. Still at the sun, the first flows at you. You should stay back at it too. I drink my lemonade and it hits the spot. I draw a picture dot by dot.
Yeah, it's a statement, and I think it's just, you know, thank you.
I watch a movie before mom and dad. Oh boy, I'm so glad. My cat purrs, and it makes me smile. I get to pet my cat for a while. When I go to bed, I count sheep. My evil ninjas is your enemy. I like ice cream and popsicles too. I might even share it with you.
Peace out, my ninjas. Have a geek-tastic day.